Hi, Hundong. Good evening. Hello. Hello, Hundong. Hello. Oh, you are in the car. Your microphone is off. Hi, Hundong. Hello, Hundong. Where are you right now? I think your microphone is off. Teacher can't hear you. Hello, Hundong. Your mic is off. Hello, also Lindan. Oh, I think it's not Lindan. Hello. Your microphone is off. Teacher can't hear you, Hundong. Hello? Can you hear teacher? Your microphone is off. Okay, let me see. Your microphone is off.
Micro của bạn đang tắt.
uh, Teacher can't hear you. Oh, there. Hello, Hundong. I can hear you now. Hello.
Thật rồi. Hello teacher.
Hi, good evening and welcome again to our class, Hundong. How are you today? Are you happy today? How are you? Are you happy? How are you today?
Bạn
Ủa,
có
mẹ
khỏe
ơi, chị ơi,
không?
hỏi rồi.
Happy?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, very good energy. Let's say, I'm happy.
I am happy.
Okay, wow, good job. It's good to know that you are happy today, Hundong. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Yes, okay, perfect.
Yes.
Yes. So now, Yundong, we will continue our lesson for today, which is all about colors. So we had learned last time about our sentence structure. So again, let's review this one. So we have here a question. What color is it? So we use this question to ask about the color of something. Like for example, this one. Hundong, what color is it?
Nó có màu gì?
Có màu gì? It's a red.
Very good. So we answer it by it's red. Huh? How about this one? What color is Look at teacher. What color is it?
Red. Red.
Okay, let's say it. How we answer? It's green. It's Let's say it's green.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer the question. How about this one, Hundong? What color is it? What color is it? I think it's your favorite color. What color is it?
Orange.
Okay, very good. So we use it's because it is short for it is. So we say it's orange. Very good. So now let's practice this sentence pattern. Let's answer some activity here. Let's go to our next page. Okay, so for this one, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's take a look at this. Art supply, Hundong. Do you still remember what art supply is this?
It's a red. It's a yellow. It's a white. It's a black.
Okay, wow, very good. So fast. But first, what art supply is this? What art supply is this?
Đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì vậy?
Do you still remember? We call this as, it's paint.
It
Okay, very good. So this one, let's again review. The first one is, it's red.
it yellow, it blue, it white, it's black.
Okay, very good. So good job. So when saying it's, don't forget letter S, okay? Not it. So it's, again, it's red, it's yellow.
Yes. Blue, white, black.
Okay, don't forget the it's. It's blue.
It's
It's
white, it's black.
okay, very good. Wow, good job, Hundong. So that is how we answer this question. So let's go to our next page. Oh, good job. Okay, let's take a look at this. What school supply is this, Hundong? What school supply? Is it a pencil? Is it a pencil?
Đây là đồ dùng học tập gì vậy?
Is it a pencil?
Yeah.
What color? Huh? Yes or no? Pencil? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. What school supply is this? Yes, we call it as eraser.
Eraser.
Okay, very good. So let's say it's an eraser.
It's eraser.
Okay, very good. Now, what color is it? What color is it?
Black. It's a
Uh,
black.
It's black. Very good. Wow. So it's black. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, how about this one, Hundong? What art supply is this? What art supply?
Blue.
It's blue. Very good. It's blue. But what art supply is this?
Đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì vậy?
It's
Is it?
pen.
Okay, very good. It's paint and it's blue. Good job. Next. What art supply is this?
Đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì? Đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì vậy?
What art supply? Is it a yarn? Yes or no?
Ê, tự nhiên cái đây mà cô kêu là đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì?
Is it a yarn?
Cái này cái len hai móc á.
Yes
dụng cụ
or
tranh.
no? Yarn?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
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 What art supply is this?
Đây là dụng cụ vẽ tranh gì vậy?
What art supply? We call it as yarn. It's a yarn.
It's a yarn.
Okay, very good. So it's yarn. What color is it? What
Red.
color is it? It's
Red.
okay, very good. It's red. So don't
Yes.
forget. Okay, good job. Don't forget when answering the question, what color is it? We usually say it's red. Okay, perfect. So next, let's go to our next one. What school supply is this, Hundong? What school
Đây
supply?
là đồ dùng học tập gì vậy?
Bag or backpack or bag. Very good. And now, what color is it? What color is it? What color is it? It's,
White.
let's say it's, it's.
It's white.
Okay, very good. So good job. So don't forget the it's. Next, let's go to our next school supply or next art supply. Let's check. Oh, how about this one? Hundong, is this a pencil? Is it a pencil? Oh,
Yes.
are you sure? Pencil or pen? Pen,
No.
pencil or pen?
Pen.
Okay, very good. It's a pen. Let's see.
It's a pen.
It's okay, very good. Now, what color is it, Hundong? What color is it?
Hello.
It's
It's a yellow.
okay, very good. It's yellow. Good job. Next, let's move on to our next art supply. Our next school. Oh, we have here a song. So let's listen to and let's watch the song. So let me just open the song. Wait just for a minute. Okay, wait.
It's a red.
Yes.
Yellow,
Okay, let's start.
red, yellow, blue, white, black.
What color is it?
It's red.
It's
It's
red.
red.
It's red. What color is
Is
it?
it? It's red.
It's red, 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 yellow.
What color is it? It's yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. What color is it? It's yellow. It's yellow, yellow, yellow.
Blue.
What color is it? It's blue. It's blue. It's blue. What color is it? It's blue. It's blue, blue, blue.
White.
What color is it? It's white. It's white. It's white. What color is it? It's white. It's white, white, white.
Black.
What color is it? It's black. It's black. It's black. What color is it? It's black. It's black, black, black. Red, yellow, blue, white, black.
Okay, so that's it for our song about color. So now let's review the sentence structure again that we had learned. So let's have these pictures. Hondong. Let's go first with this one. Do you know what is this, Hondong?
Okay.
Okay. What is this? Is it a balloon?
Balloon.
Balloon. Very good. Now, what color is it?
It's a red.
It's red. Very good. Now, let's go to our next object. How about this one? What is this? It's what is this? Is it a hat? No,
Hat.
we call it as crown. K k crown. Okay, very good. Good job. Now, Hundong, what color is it?
It's a yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. It's yellow. Next, let's go to our next object. This one. What is this? Is it a leaf? Is it a leaf? Leaf or flower?
Flower.
Flower. Very good. It's a flower. Now, can you tell teacher what color is the flower?
Oh. Pen.
Okay, very good. Let's say pink. Pink. It's pink.
It's a pink.
Okay, very good. Good job. So it's pink. Now, let's move on to our next one. So we have here this. What animal is
A frog.
this? It's a
Frog.
frog. Very good. What color is it?
It's green.
It's green. Perfect. Very good. Next, how about this one? What
Orange.
fruit? It's orange. And what color is it? It's orange. Good job. Next, how about this one? Hundong, do you know what is this?
Candy.
It's candy. Very good. What color is it?
It's blue.
Okay, perfect. It's blue. Next, let's move on for this one. Do you know what is this? We call it as jar.
Rock.
Jar. One more time. Jar. Okay, now what color is it? Hundong.
It's a peep.
We call it as purple.
Purple.
One more time. Purple.
Purple.
Okay, very good. So now let's move on to our next one. What animal is this? Baby shark. Is it a shark? Okay, very good. Now what color is it?
It's black.
We call it as its color gray.
Green.
Gray. One more time. Gray. Gray. It's gray. It's gray. Very good. Next, how about this one? Do you know what food is this, Hondong?
It's a red.
Bread. Very good. One more time. Let's say bread. Okay, what color is it?
It's a brown.
It's brown. How about this one? What is this?
It's
It's shoes.
no.
Shoes. We call it as shoes.
Shush.
Okay, what color is it?
It's a blue.
It's blue. Very good. This one, what do we call this? What is this? It's, we call it as a hat or cap.
Hat.
Are you sure? Hat or cap?
It's green.
It's green. Very good. But this one, Hundong, we call it as cap. Cap. It's cap. Yes. So next, how about this one? Do you know what is this? So we call it as wrench. Wrench. What color is it?
It's a black.
It's black. Very good. Wow, good job. So I can see that you really know how to use our sentence pattern. Very good. Next, let's again go back to our lesson that we have here. Where is it? Oh, here. Okay. So now our song. Let's again review the song that we have earlier. This one. What school supplies are this, Hondong? What school supply?
Đây là đồ dùng học tập gì vậy?
Is it pencil? Is it pencil? Yes or no? No, it's not. Is it the crayon? Crayon? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So what is it? It's crayon. Let's say it's
Green.
crayon. Now, let's first look at this first crayon. What color is it? What color is it? It's yellow. What color is it? What color is it?
blue.
It's blue. How about this one? What color is it? It's
White.
it's white. And the last one, what color is it? It's black. It's black. Yes, it's black. The color is somehow different, but it's black. How about this crayon? Hundong, what color is it? This one. What color is it? It's red. Again, what color is it, Hundong? This crayon, what color is it? It's red.
Red.
Okay, very good. So good job. So that is how we answer the question, what color is it? So now let's proceed and review. If you still remember the school supplies that we had last time. But first, let's listen to the sound that we have.
Page 15. D. Listen and circle. 1,
What is it? It's a pencil case. What color is it? It's red.
Okay, again, let's listen to number 1.
What is it? It's a pencil case. What color is it? It's red.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number 1. So what is it, Hondong? What art supply or what school supply is it? What school supply? Is it a bag or backpack?
Đây là đồ dùng học tập gì?
It's a bag.
Is it a bag? Are you sure? Are you sure? No. So this one, Hundong, we call this as pencil
Erase.
case. Pencil case. Again, let's say it's a pencil case.
It's a pencil case.
Okay, what color is it?
It's yellow and it's red.
Red and what
Yellow.
is yellow? Very good. Next, let's go to our next one. So let's listen to number
Eraser.
2. Very good. So let's say it's
It's
an eraser. It's an
yellow and black.
very
It's
good.
yellow
It's blue and black. Again, let's say blue. Blue.
and black.
Very good. It's blue and black. So next, how about this school supply? What school supply is this, Hundong?
Book. It's a book.
It's a book. Very good. What color is it?
Red and black.
Again, let's say it's
It and black.
it's let's say it's let's start first with it's 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 let's say it's red and black.
It's red and black.
Okay, perfect, very good. How about for number 4? What school supply is it? It's
White and red.
very good. It's white and red. How about what school supply is it? Is it a pencil case? What school supply is it?
Đây là đồ dùng học tập gì?
It's a bag.
Okay, it's a bag or what we call backpack. It's a bag or backpack. Very good. Next, for our last one, what school supply is it?
Pencil. It's a pencil.
Okay, very good. What color is it? What color?
It's yellow and white.
Okay, very good. You're so smart. So it's a pencil. It's yellow and white. Very good. So now let's read all of the things that we have. This one. Let's go first with our first or number one. Let's read.
What's
What
a,
is it?
a
Again, what is it?
what it is
It's a
a
pencil case.
cây.
Okay, next. What
Color it
color is it?
is
It's
red.
red. Very good. Next, let's go to our next one. Let's read. What
What
is
is
it? Let's say it.
it
It's
and
eraser.
what color it
Is it? Let's say is it?
is
It's
it's blue.
okay. Very good. Again, let's read this sentence or this question. Say, what color is it?
What color it is?
Okay, let's say is it?
It is
Is let's
is
say it. Is it? Okay, very good. So what color is it? Not what color it is. Okay, next. Let's go to our next one. Let's read what
What
is it?
it? What a book?
Okay, next.
What color it is? What
Okay, let's say is it? Is it?
is is black?
It's black. Very good. Next, again, let's say what color is it?
What color is
Is it? Is it?
it is?
Okay, again, let's try it slowly. Let's say first is
What is
it?
is
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 what color is
is
it?
it?
Okay, very good. Nice. Good job. Next. Again, let's read what
What
is
ba gọi nè?
again, let's say what is it? It's
Is a
backpack.
is it
Okay, one more time. Let's say backpack.
backpack?
Okay, next. What
What color is a
Okay, next. It's
is white?
okay, very good. Next. Next one. What
Is the
it's
is a pencil?
very
What
good.
is
What it
it
it's
is yellow?
okay, very good. So nice job. Okay, so I think you are able to know how to use our sentence pattern it's. But for this one, you need to practice how you pronounce what color is it, because you tend to say what color is or what color it is. Okay, so make sure to practice that question pattern, hundong. So I think it's already the end of our time. So for this one, we will do this as a review on our next class next Sunday. Okay, so make sure to review hundong. Okay. Okay, review Hundong, okay? Okay, so thank you so much for today, Hundong, and see you again next Sunday. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Have a safe trip. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
It's Linh Dan.
Oh, hi, Dan. Oh, you are there. Okay, have a safe trip. Goodbye. See you later
Let's
again.
go again.
See you again.